Hi, my name is Goldman, and I'm an attorney with Goldman and Associates. A question is often raised, particularly in the kind of society that we have, where people are living in different places, working in different places. Sometimes marriages work out where the parties are actually sort of their remote marriages, where husband's in one city, wife's in another city for work reasons or whatever. The question becomes, what if you want to get divorced? What happens if you cannot find or you cannot serve your spouse? Are you stuck in the marriage because you don't know exactly where they are? Are you stuck in the marriage because they know it's coming and they evade service? What do you do? Well, that's bad news if you're in that situation. It's bad news because it means it'll delay things, it'll probably increase costs and all of that. But there is good news too. The court rules set up a system of alternative service, a means by which you can go to the court, you can tell the court that this person is evading service, and you can ask the court for choices, for different ways of doing it. You know, the best way is to hand somebody the papers and have them saying, look, your husband is suing you, you are served, you are being sued. It's the best type of notice. I always tell my clients, if they say, somebody's trying to serve me, what should I do? I say, take the papers. You don't take them, we're not going to know what they want. We're not going to be able to defend it. But some people naturally evade. My point is that if you're in a situation like that, the court has set up a means by which to serve the person without handing him the papers. Sometimes that means different things. It might mean the court will require you to publish in the legal news that the person is being served. That's clearly a fiction, because your husband's not going to read the legal news. Lawyers don't read the legal news. Some layperson is going to read the legal news, but that's a fiction that is set up so that you can serve somebody. You publish multiple times in the legal news, or perhaps you post. The court may order you to post the lawsuit or the complaint for divorce in a public place. You've probably seen this before. A legal notice that is thumbtacked into a bulletin board somewhere. It could be at a library, it could be at the post office, it could be at Kroger. Any public place, the court can order that this should be tacked, or it could be on the door where the person last resided. That's a means. There are now electronic means. The court may order somebody served by some sort of app, like through Facebook or WhatsApp or some such thing. So my point is, there are methods by which the court can call service effectuated and have you, in other words, create a fiction of service, even though you can't actually do it, because the person's evading, or the person's in Fiji, or the person is somewhere where you don't have access. There's still ways to do it. It's not uncomplicated. I'm not trying to tell you it's a cakewalk to do it. I'm just trying to tell you that you don't have to remain married just because it's not easy. The fact that it's not easy doesn't mean it can't be done. If you have any questions about this, of course, reach out to us and we'll be glad to help you out any way we can.